Hello traders. I hope you all are doing fine, and I hope you have made good profits. And congratulations to all who are focused on IT stocks, which I recommended back on Tuesday, where no one were talking about IT stocks. uh, I just gave a, I was having a strong gut feeling that IT stocks will perform. And today, all the news channels and, everyone were buzzing about IT stocks and how they were rallying 8%, 10%. Happiest mind again, it went 12%. So, uh, the only drawback of seeing news channels is you will be getting the information after the party is over. So you should be knowing that when the party is starting and when it is ending. So that is the reason why most of the people won't make that much of profit using the news channels. However, let's focus on today's video. So I have bought you four more stocks for Friday's intraday trading session, and I'll also explain a few of the patterns in that. Okay, so let's get started. So first stock is L&T Finance Holdings. So if you see L&T Finance Holding, the first thing is uh, there is the results upcoming tomorrow for the stock. And uh, and if you see the technical analysis here in the chart pattern, it's a clearly a kind of a flag pattern. And tomorrow what we can do is we have to just see if it crosses 95.35. If it crosses 95.35, we're gonna buy this, and our targets will be somewhere around 97.65. And if the results come in a negative way, or if the stock goes below 94.85, so we're gonna sell this stock. So our next targets will be somewhere around 92.95. So keep an eye on the stock. So the next stock is Cient. So as you see here, this stock gave a good momentum as the results were there. And however, there is a slight profit booking coming on the stock. However, this is a very important zone or a level, you can say, that is uh, 943.05. Yeah. So this is a very important zone. And if I see this, just observe. I just want to check the volume here. Okay, see here. So the maximum volume, generated was at this point, that is 945. So this is a very crucial zone. And if this zone breaks, we're gonna sell, and our targets will be 916, the first target, and the second targets will be 884. However, if this gets support from here, and it starts going up, we're gonna buy this at 960.75. So, and please mark the no trading zone. No trading zone is 945.10 and 960.75. So this is the no trading zone. Once this crosses 960.75, we're gonna buy, and our targets will be 993. Okay. So I hope you've got the idea about tomorrow's how to trade on this stock. So the next stock is India Glycol. India Glycol, if you see, there is kind of a pattern forming uh, as a symmetrical triangle. However, so see here how beautifully, see, it taken support here. It went up till here. Again, it consolidated and taken support here, and again it touched this resistance. So this line is acting as a resistance, and this is acting as a support. Now if I say where people want to buy at low, right, want to buy at low and sell at high. Okay, so now where is the stock? The stock is exactly at its support. Okay, so tomorrow if this crosses 733 levels. We're gonna buy this, and our targets will be somewhere around 752.60. Okay, and if this trend line gets broken, we're gonna sell the stock at 723, and our targets will be 708.80. Okay, so mark these levels and the no trading levels as well, and trade accordingly. Okay, all right. The next stock is Sonata Software. Sonata Software, if you see, it's kind of a rising channel, if you see, or yeah, rising channel pattern, and stock is perfectly taking the support at these levels. See how many support levels are there. Okay, now tomorrow the same thing, as a channel pattern. If you see, it exactly takes support here and it goes above. So now we already got tested with this support zone and stock started moving up. So tomorrow what we have to see is if it crosses 788.15, we're gonna buy, and the targets will be 806. And if the stock goes down 781.05, we're gonna sell, and our next support zone comes at 762 levels. Okay, so these are the four stocks, where tomorrow you can keep your focus, and please mark these levels and trade accordingly. Okay, uh, I wish you all the best for tomorrow's trading session, and also please uh, like and share with your friends. Okay, because we need your support in growing our YouTube channel. We are coming up with more kind of content, like we will be on answering your queries through a video. If you are having any stocks which needs to be technically reviewed regarding the price action, I will review that. And also in coming Saturday, I'll be giving you one video where I'll provide you some swing trading stocks, where based on the patterns, you can we can have us have a great swing trade in that stocks. So just need your support. Uh, so thank you so much for all the support you have given till now. I hope this support will continue further. So I wish you all the best for tomorrow's trading session. Thank you. Bye bye.